Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Epic Games Launcher from your Windows 11 PC. Right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go to Install Apps, and from here you want to simple type in Epic. Once you type that in, you will see the Epic Game Launcher and as well as the Epic Game Services. You just want to focus here on the Epic Game Launcher at first. Just click the little three dots towards the right hand side and click on uninstall, then uninstall again, and you will see that it start to uninstall the Epic Game Launcher from your PC. You will receive a pop-up. Simply click on yes to give administrative rights to your PC there, and yeah, it will go ahead and uninstall the Epic Game Launcher from your Windows PC. So you just want to sit back and be patient for this to complete. It's normally pretty quick, and yeah, once it is done, it will be removed from your PC. So let's go ahead. So here it's also asking if I want to uninstall the Epic Game Services. I'm going to go ahead and say yes to remove that as well. And you can see the services just removed on the background. And here it's almost done, guys. That's it. Very easy and very simple how to go ahead and remove or uninstall Epic Game Launcher from your Windows 11 PC. That's all there is to it, guys.